The best time of the year is coming soon for Amazon seller. Q4 is right around the corner. And you've probably heard a lot about Q4, but if you are new, you do not know what to expect, what it is, and how to prepare for it. All right, so in today's video, this is what we are going to talk about. As I said, I'm going to tell you what to expect, what Q4 is actually, what you can expect from it. As I just said, I'll keep repeating myself. And next thing is how to prepare a little bit and what you should do to maximize your profit during Q4. Before we actually start talking about that, I am now offering one-on-one coaching. So if you need someone to actually help you either navigate Q4 as a new seller or build a plan to actually scale your Amazon business, and the best time to do it is actually during Q4, because during Q4 can actually change your life if you play your cards correctly. So look at my availability if you need someone to actually mentor you, to help you build your Amazon business, to help you scale and reach some interesting numbers. Link in the description, book a call with me. Second link you're gonna find in the description. It's even more important. It's the Discord server. All right, so networking is one of the things that is going to get you ahead in this business. I learned so much stuff by talking to other people, and I used to be against networking because I used to think that it was corny. All right, join the Discord server, come hang out. We're gonna have a live call soon. In not too long, I'm gonna schedule the next few calls. Come hang out, talk to people. You're gonna make some friends. You are going to actually learn from a lot of people. So as I said, join the Discord server, come hang out with us. I'm always over there hanging out. I was not a couple of days ago because I was a little sick. I'm feeling better, as you can see. All right, I'm feeling way better. I'm back to screaming in my videos. All right, so yeah, join the Discord server and let's start the video. So what is Q4? Q4 is the fourth quarter of the year, and the reason why we love this quarter as Amazon sellers, as e-commerce sellers, as retailers, is because the sales volume picks up like crazy, because there's a lot of events and holidays during this time of the year. All right, so there's Black Friday, there's Cyber Monday, there's Christmas, there's a lot of stuff going on. There's the New Year. There's a lot of stuff going on during that time of the year. Now, not only sales volume is going to pick up because of all those events and stuff on Amazon, but the best sales of the year are going to happen during that time. All right, so first of all, you need to have stuff in inventory, and I'm really bad. Like I should not even talk about this because myself, I'm not ready yet. I don't have shit in inventory, because if you guys have been following every single videos up until this point, you guys know that I haven't placed an order for inventory in like a month. I'm sitting on money waiting for a sale to hit, and I hope it's going to hit next week, or my sales are going to be trashed this month. I think my sales are already going to be trashed this month because, like, of course there's a delay, but I'm sitting on way too much cash. All right, so you do not want to be me. You want to get ready a little bit and have your best items in stock. Not only that, so this is for the sales volume. All right, so if you can get extra capital and stuff, if you know what you're doing already, do not do it if it's your first Q4, but if you know what you're doing already, you can get some extra capital, invest it in your business, and invest it in some inventory. What you're gonna see as well is stuff that has been sitting for a long time that is going to sell during Q4, because sales volume is going to pick up, stuff like that. If there's items that, like, it's a good time to actually start sitting in inventory instead of actually liquidating your inventory, all right? Because the sales volume is going to pick up, you're not gonna pay a lot in fees, and the price is gonna increase, so you can sell your items at an interesting price. The mistake that you should not do, all right, because this is what a lot of people think they should do during Q4, is actually start flipping Legos and stuff like that. You do not know shit about Legos. You do not know shit about Legos. Yes, you can make money with Legos. It's not because it's Q4 that you need to actually start doing this, all right? It's a mistake that a lot of big sellers have done, that I talked to, and they say that they regret doing this last year or the year before, and so their strategy is going to change. It's not all about Legos during Q4. Right? It's not all about Legos, about toys. Everything sells faster. All right? So look at this. Look at the keeper graphs of items, how they did perform. If you want to start speculating a little bit, it's not really speculation, but look at items that actually perform the last few years during Q4. Last year, precisely, if the price went up and stuff, maybe you can start jumping on maybe you can buy those items in advance. No. As I said, The sales volume is going to increase like crazy, yes, but there's going to be a lot of opportunities to source as well during Black Friday, all right? As I said, it's going to be the best sales of the years. Black Friday, Christmas, not only sales for items, but sales for gift cards as well. For example, talking about Ulta, I often talk about Ulta. For Christmas, on Ulta, they sell, I think it's either 10% or 20%, I think it's 20%, 20% of gift cards. You can buy $500 gift card for $400. All right, so if you can buy a few, you can, if you source a lot at Ulta, if they redo this promotion this year, you can make a lot of money just with the gift card by selling on gift cards and then using them to source. If you source a lot at Ulta, if you do not source at Ulta, do not try this, all right? If you do not know Ulta, do not try this. Only do it if you source a lot. The Ulta sale during Q4, during Black Friday, it hits at midnight Eastern time. I believe it's a crazy good sale. All right, so and there's going to be a lot of sales that are going to hit at midnight on Black Friday. All right, so you want to be ready. There's going to be pre-Black Friday, so stuff is going to be on sale before Black Friday. Cyber Monday as well. The Black Friday deals, they are going to last sometimes 1 week, even 2 weeks. I think last year some of them lasted 10 days. There's going to be a lot of opportunity to source products super cheap. So what you want to do is potentially 2 weeks before the start of Black Friday, all that stuff, maybe start sitting on some money like I'm doing right now. I'm not doing it at the right time. I know, do not do it like me. But because if you do, your sales are going to suffer. I've been sitting on money for like 1 month. But what you want to do is maybe slow down on your spending leading up to Q4, leading up to Black Friday, a couple of weeks before that, so you can have a little money to invest in product at crazy return on investments, all right? The only thing the next thing that you need to know as well is that check-in times for prep center is going to be longer. Not only for prep center, but I meant for FBA warehouses first, all right? So check-in times are going to increase. If you send stuff, you're going to need to send stuff 4 to 6 weeks in advance for it to sell, all right? Which is, if you want to sell stuff in for Black Friday and stuff on Amazon, you are going to need to send it a little bit more in advance. But it's going to be the same thing with your prep centers. Your prep centers are going to be overwhelmed. But this is a great opportunity to actually start selling FBM, because what a lot of sellers do is that they shut down the shops during December, like during November, December, because check-in times are taking too long. It's a great opportunity to actually come into this and actually sell stuff FBM. Not only that, but your restock limits are going to be cut anyway. So you are not going to be able to send everything because the restock limits during Q4 decrease, all right? You are not going to be able to send as much inventory. If you do not know, there's a limit of inventory that you can actually send to Amazon. They changed how it works not too long ago, I believe. I haven't dived into it, but maybe it's going to change for Q4 as well. But just be ready to not be able to send everything with to FBA warehouses. So be ready. Like, actually try to learn how to do FBM before like the Q4 actually really starts. Right, it's going to start soon. But be ready to actually learn how to do FBM. Learn how to find, how to see if a product is suitable for FBM. I may have a few videos on that, I'm not sure. But like, learn how to use Keepa to figure that out. Pretty easy. Look at the offers. If the guys that are listed FBM are selling, you can probably sell it FBM as well. If the buy box is alternating in between, like if you see peaks going up and down, up and down, up and down, you may see the buy box rotating to FBM sellers a lot. That means that you can sell it FBM. If you can see on the buy box statistics that FBM sellers get a lot of the buy box as well, get a big percentage, same thing, you can sell the item FBM. So what you want to do is learn all that stuff, and a lot of opportunities are going to open up because people are going to go out of stock on FBA stuff, especially when the restock limits get slashed. And so this is your time to actually come in and sell stuff FBM, because not only the sales volume increase, but the amount of available inventory decrease, the price will then increase. And so if you can come with FBM inventory, you can make a lot of money. If you do not know what FBM is, by the way, it's fulfilled by merchant. FBA is fulfilled by Amazon. What FBA is when you actually send your items into, this is for the beginners, when you send your items into Amazon warehouses and they take care of the logistic. FBM, fulfilled by merchant, you are the merchant, is when you actually do the shipping and everything yourself, all right? One thing to know when you do FBM, it's harder to get negative feedback removed on your Amazon account. No, it does not matter that much, because if you do enough FBA volume, I'm sorry, I just touched the mic. If you do enough FBA volumes during the year, it's not going to affect you a lot. Yes, you may have some negative feedback that you will need to remove, but it's going to be okay. All right, some negative feedback that you will not be able to remove, but it's going to be okay. Yes, your rating may go down a little bit during Q4 because of that, but it's not a big issue. Do not worry about it, especially if you do not do a lot of FBM during the year. You'll be all right, okay? So that's it for Q4 for this video. Happy reselling, time to make a lot of money. Be ready, do not be like me. I'm not ready. I'm gonna tell you, I'm not ready at all, all right? I'm not ready at all. Hopefully I need to go back to the US to do some FBM, to stock up on some inventory in my house, which I'm probably gonna do soon. So yeah, I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video. Watch these other videos if you wanna keep learning about selling on Amazon. And yeah, guys, it was a pleasure to talk to you today. Feeling better, I'm not sick anymore, so I can scream again. And yeah, I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.